Alright, how's it going, YouTube? So back out with the XTM. This is going to be a 6S pass with the new batteries. This is going to be the first run, and I'm only running one of them. I just put both of them there for weight distribution. So I'm going to run the one on the left. So I'm going to plug that up and get everything ready, and then we'll get some test hits in. I just want to make sure. So what I'm testing right now is I went thicker on my shock oil, because in the last testing tune, if you've seen, the car was hitting the ground. I also took the spool that was in here, put it back in the infraction, and put the spool that was in the infraction in here. It's a made spool, so I made it work in here and just left the original spool in where it came from. So we're gonna just be trying 6S. I want to see if I can get it down there. I'm gonna also do a speed pass, but my main goal is to see if it's going straight and getting coming out the hole nice. All right, guys, so y'all stay tuned and let's get into it. All right, guys, this ain't gonna, I'm just doing this for my personal preference, but I'm sticking another GPS inside just to see what happens. I'm gonna stick it right up here to the battery. Hopefully that holds up right there. Alright, guys, hopefully that stay right there, but that's just my personal preference. I'm not sure if I'm getting problems with this one, because I just did a run and this one said 80 and that one said 90. But I'm gonna still give this one another shot, so y'all stay tuned for when I zero this out. Alright, guys. Alright, YouTube, so we're gonna zero out the GPS. It's already zeroed out. We're gonna go ahead and start it. Hopefully y'all seeing that. Remember, I got that GPS inside. I do need to tighten this up a bit. Alright. We're going off of this GPS though. Let me make sure it's started. Timer started. Remember, this is gonna be a 6S pass. It does have two 6S in there, but I'm going off of one. I'm only running one. You just want to see if it make a clean pass. Testing the new spool out, and then we'll go from there. Feel like she rolling smooth. Alright, guys. Think we could come down? Yeah, we cool. Alright, come on, let's do it. Definitely was kicking, I ain't gonna lie. I was getting a lot of pulling. I didn't hear no scraping, but I was definitely getting a lot of pulling. Yeah, I'm getting a lot of pulling. To the left when I hit the gas. Well, to the right, so let me correct that. See what she did. She rolling. She rolling. Let's see. See? It say 37. Let's just reach in there and get that other GPS. See what that one say. I might just switch out the GPSs, man, because I'm gonna just take this off. I'm gonna switch out the GPS. I'll probably put this one inside and bring that one up here. And that one's stuck. This one says 57. Sorry about that, guys. I'm in the middle of the road. 57 compared to 37 or 30, whatever. Come on now, I'm gonna switch the GPSs out. All right, guys, give me a second. All right, YouTube, we're gonna try this one more time with the other GPS. So zeroed out, timer started. All right, let me make sure. All right, it's max speed. Got a car coming. Give me 1 second, let me see what he's doing. Might be coming all the way straight with my luck. Yeah, he coming all the way. We're gonna let him pass. Sorry about that, guys. It's not a private road, so unfortunately traffic does pass. But we're gonna let him pass and then we'll bring it down real quick. Just wanna see if it's actually gonna go straight. Make sure everything is aligned. It's my main focus with this car. Oh, I did also go ahead and put thicker diff fluid in this. I did change the diff and I totally forgot, and I had the stock diff fluid in. So let this truck come by. Let's see, we got another car coming down that way. Yeah, we got one coming that way. See if we could just get on the other side real quick. Sorry about the long video, guys. Just trying to get some good passes in. Oh, we good. Let's do it. I was able to hold it. It was pulling on me, but I was able to hold it. I got it to full. I ain't got no rubbing on the body. It did 86, y'all. That's definitely not bad. I got shit, I don't even got drag gearing in here really. Well, that's my drag gearing now. But let me see if this car at least goes straight on the takeoff. That was my main focus. It's kind of pulling on me, but I'll fix that. Let me just get a test hit in real quick, y'all. Still jumping. Pull it to the right. Gotta fix that. I'll get that adjusted. Alright guys, stay tuned for more from this rig. She doing good. 86 is definitely not bad, man. I was not getting nowhere near that on 6S. I know what I gotta do and then we'll go from there. So alright guys, stay tuned.